I populated my table now, and I'm going to do the following. I'm going to select all this and go better. Okay, here we are. We created our table, manage the name, and I'm going to edit this name is DBL risk. Okay, and we're done. Then in the impact, I'm going to use a formula which is return 1, else if E2 is equal to if E2 is equal to high, then it will be okay. So I have to do the following. Low is brackets in quotes, you see that this formula is also reported below. I'm not finished. I'm going to multiply by the severity. Now I selected this column in condition of formatting. So show the top 10 items, or format as table, or sorry, highlights, color scale, sorry, here like this. Okay, so that I see the ones with the highest priority. Okay, I should fix this. Okay, now we have our table. We already know what we have to do now because we worksheet risks. Okay, here we're going to report the dates. Okay, the dates we have from the Gantt, this one. Okay, format. Okay, and we're going down +1. Okay, so we can also check from here when was the last date, 14, 15. We can keep this for the moment. Okay, here we're going to sum if this range, sorry, this, the range is not this one, the range is in risk assessment, the criteria is this one, has to be equal to this, and then the sum is count if. Count if, and we don't need this. Risk assessment. I'm going to check the open date. Okay, so now we say from this, for open date, okay, we're going to get this. If this is valid, we're going to do this. So we're going to count. So I'm going to select this all. Okay, home. Then I'm going to do, this is the open ones. Open. Can go until this one is equal to this. This has to be okay. Close date. Okay, we're gonna drag this. I'm gonna copy this format here. So we have this also. Okay, here we have a formula omits but it's not what we want. It's completely not what we want. We want something different. It is open, cumulative, and close. Okay, I'll call it also open and close. Okay, so this one is equal to this, and this one is equal to this plus this. So we're going to see the progress. Okay. Yeah, the same is for the close one. Okay. So I'm going to select this one, control. I'm going to select this one as well. I'm going to insert. Okay, so we have our chart here. We're going to change, of course, here the title is, for the blue is open, for the other one the title is close. Okay, open and close rate. I'm going to enlarge this a bit. Issues, open and close, etc. You can also format as you want this. Okay, you can also decide, sometimes it's very nice, that you're going to show here. Okay, that is show basically how's the progress. So we saw now for the risk assessment, assessments. So we have a list of tickets that are high priority, and I will show basically in the dashboard the ones that are high priority. Okay,